I'm gonna be the first person who fails this. Okay, don't jinx it.
Why? Why would you say that?
Oh my god. SOS. Can.
She's gonna make history.
I think she's gonna teach us how to brush our teeth.
It's a random strand of hair.
Mine is like a neutral color, and then Karina is like pastel purple-ish. You can really tell the personality difference with art. So you're very purple.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Frosty the Snowman was a jolly happy soul with a corncob pie.
So today we have Cheru and we've got Zadeline and Karina on the other table. And we're gonna be competing and see who makes the nicest one at the end. Okay, I really can guess already. Cheryl's gonna make pink color. Confirm. I think Zed and Karina, I'm not sure, but I also don't know what kind of color I'm gonna do. But I'm thinking of making something that's suitable for my house, which has a very like Japan-y theme and something not too colorful, but at the same time still nice and sleek. She said got master classes.
Yeah, so for master classes, these are half Terrazzo.
Not for us. Look at that! Marble and Terrazzo together. I don't even think I can do Terrazzo properly. Maybe like a purple or like a darker base. And then have fun with the colors. Hi everybody. So, okay. Hello everybody. So today I plan to do like something more brown and neutral. But then again, it always doesn't happen like my way. So I will see how it turns out later. Thank you very much. Hi everyone. I think I'm gonna do a peachy kind of color, like closer to wood. I don't know lah. Yeah, I really don't know. I think I'm just gonna go for a peachy color that it's slightly colorful, but I don't really want it to be too tightly knit together. So bigger specs.
Actually, I really don't know how this is gonna turn out because I have no artistic talent. But as you can see from the previous Vlogmas, I was the worst painter.
Show your painting, Cheryl. Yes, Singapore flag. We love Singapore.
So yeah, anyway, today I'm gonna do something pink.
Yeah, then
Are you really gonna go for pink?
Yeah, I think so, but there are so many freaking shades of pink. Look. They really have a lot of different colors. And like, I want pink, right? But there are like 3 bottles of pink. I cannot decide. Oh my god, 4. Sorry.
4 pink.
4 pinks.
There, why are you choosing?
I'm choosing this whitish color and then this slightly blue pink mixture color. Pray for me, everybody! Anything will go out together at the end. Yeah, really.
So if I anyhow mix the color also can?
Can. No, it all work out really at the end. Yeah.
She said it will all work out in the end. Trust the process.
This looks like chocolate, doesn't it? So it's actually made of like recycled pieces from previous Terrazzo classes. So I think it's quite nice. Like, you know, you kind of keep reusing and you create different things.
Lol.
You law what law?
Okay, the participant took too long, so it took the shape of the beaker and only the rest was poured out. Yeah. But for Terrazzo, it's close to 100% success rate, so it's yeah, no worries.
It says 100% success rate.
I'm gonna be the first person who fails this. Okay, don't jinx it.
Why? Why would you say that?
Say 100%, but I don't
She
think...
said close to 100%. That means at least got someone fail before. Let's not make history.
You realize that there's this very stubborn lung that doesn't.
Why are we all screaming? The competition is real. Wait, am I supposed to like not do it super hard? Like
No, it's better to do it fast.
go do it fast. No time to waste.
I feel like it's the most time-consuming one.
Oh, it's so hard.
I shouldn't have done PT yesterday.
Yeah, I feel like if I do this so hard, it might splatter at my face.
It's arms day.
At the bottom.
Oh wait, oh you're supposed to put on your stick, man.
So you
You drop here, then use the toothpick. Bad student.
Shit. Shit. Oh my god. SOS.
She's gonna make history.
Oh my god, it looks like blood.
Crap! I wanted a brownish.
And how pink this is. Looks like strawberry ice cream. Huh?
I think I might change up my color because I think I put too much pink already, or red, so I can't really create that brown color anymore.
Oh my god, why don't I see anything?
What else already? I think so too.
What? It's a random strand of hair.
Let me zoom in. Let me zoom it in. Wait. Oh my god! 30 minutes is up. And when you touch it, right, you really feel like you're touching someone's very sweaty back for some reason. It really is like warm and it's like a bit moist, you know. Like I feel like it has pores or something.
Meanwhile,
Yes, it's touchable.
Oh my god! Oh my god, why the front looks this dot? The way. I'm very shaky now, my arms. I think it's very worth it. I think it's a very nice like couple activity. Maybe next time I should bring Mac here. But I already know what color he's gonna do. He's gonna do blue. He only has, everything is blue. I'm gonna insert all the photos of him here right now. Yeah. This is the after. So this is what I get to bring home. It's so fun. Look. So like I mentioned, right, a lot of the little chips, right, are actually reused from other students. So you see the harder one here, you get to crush it, and then you do this, and there you have it.
Got shocked.
Sorry to our viewers out there for the scare.
These materials they use, right, are biodegradable and it's sustainable. Ooh, it's very beautiful. You see, mine is like a neutral color, and then Karina is like pastel purple-ish. You can really tell the personality difference with art. So they're very cool.
Oh yeah, that's true. So mine has like a lot of big pieces like this. So she gave me this so I can count it. I'm scared! Don't break it!
So this is the end of the workshop. How do you find it?
It was very fun, and I think it was also it's a very good activity to do with your best friends or your partners.
Yeah, I think even kids, because it's actually really simple, but there's a lot of complexities and it's very versatile, and you really get to create like
Something very personal.
very personal, and you will never find the exact same one
anywhere in this world. So yeah, I think it's a very, very fun and functional thing. Like at least you get to use it. It's not just like doing something that you don't use it at all, right?
Look quite nice with like jewelry or like water.
Yeah, and you can even put like plants or whatever on it. So I highly recommend it. I'm gonna leave everything in the description box below. Let's interview them. We love it a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
wondering why is it safe distancing.
Yeah. Yes. Bye. Hug again.